In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve. So, before we start, we actually have to first create the subtitle track. So to do that, just right click on this portion here and just select the add subtitle track. Once you've done that, go to this specific section where you want to add your subtitle and right click on it and choose add subtitle. Here, if you haven't opened the inspector tab here, just select it at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll be able to see the setting for that subtitle. So you can change the text here. There's a lot of options that you could change, which is the font face, color. So when it blue here. So this is just an example. Once you go back here, if you want to add a new subtitle, instead of right clicking here at the uh, timeline, you can just go ahead and locate it here. As long as the previous subtitle was selected, it's gonna be okay. As long as subtitles being selected, once you move to the next scene, you just want to click on the add new, and that should add a new subtitle for you. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.